Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is Essential Mega Recruitment 2020 as data visualization for BE, BTech or any degree graduates. Before moving on to the details of Essential Mega Recruitment, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation materials for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Moving on to Essential Mega Recruitment. Essential is hiring freshers for the recruitment of data visualization associate in Bangalore. Candidates from 2019 and 2020 batch in BE, BTech or any degree, all branches are eligible for this role. We have discussed all the details for eligibility criteria, selection process, apply link in our website. So you can also refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Essential Mega Recruitment 2020 details. Company's name is Essential. Job location is Bangalore. Position is data visualization. Qualification is BE, BTech or any degree. Batch is 2019 to 2020. Salary Western market and last date to apply is as soon as possible. We have eligibility criteria, any graduates or 0 to 1 year of experience. Then we have the job summary. So you will be aligned with the data analytics verticals. You will also aligned with the business problems addressing technical challenges using data management, as you will be also working as a part of data visualization team, which is primarily accountable for using visualization tools by creating dashboards. You will also be responsible for Visual Basics application VBA programming language to build user-defined functions, automatic process, and accessing Windows API and other low-level functionality through dynamic link libraries. Then we have our roles and responsibilities. So in this role, you are required to solve routine problems, largely through precedent and refer to general guidelines. Interaction is with an own team and direct supervisor. Detailed instruction on all tasks provided at this role will be close supervision. Decision makes impact work and closely supervised. Please note that you may also require to work in rotational shifts. So how to apply? There is a link for applying. You have to click on this link and you will move to another website, which will be the official website for Accenture. So this is the official website of Accenture, and they have also provided all the information regarding job description, qualifications, and every detail regarding the job. So if you are interested, you have to click on this apply now and you will move to another web page where you will be directed for Essential Mega Recruitment. So now they're asking you to log in with your accounts. If you have account on this website, so you have to log in with your previous account details. If you're new here, so you have to click on sign up and create account. After that, you will be directed to the page for Essential Mega Recruitment. Moving on to Fresher Camp website, we have also provided all the information regarding application links, eligibility criteria and job description. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you. And link for Essential Mega Recruitment 2020 is provided in the description. So thank you.